Welcome to Public Speaking Training for Beginners, and today we're talking about presentation. Let's talk presentation styles. There's so many different ways of speaking and delivering presentations. I want to talk to you about a few that are important for you to understand the difference between. And of course, I want you to focus on getting one right, doing it so well, then you expand out. Please do not create a salad of speaking before you're ready and you've mastered one, because they end up being vanilla and blending in. And I want you to stand out and be More Giraffe. Therefore, let's talk about different styles of presentation. So you've got an inspirational talk, which is designed to inspire people from the inside out, to get people to do something different and to go out there and change their life in some way. There's motivational talks, and motivation is very similar to inspiration, but motivation comes from the outside in. So your role as a motivational speaker is to help inspire people to take action. So inspiration allows people to go inside out. So what you'll deliver will help them find the answers inside and go somewhere. And then there's motivational talks where you are the person that's helping them from the outside in to change their lives. Then there's educational talks where you educate them on your brand, your system, your service, your philosophies, your ways of life. That's important as well. Then you have a talk which is designed to do nothing else but sell your product. Now, of course, you need to sell with integrity, you need to sell with authenticity, and you need to sell in a way that is graceful and respectful for the audience. But the whole talk leads to a sale, right? And we call that a signature talk. So those are some of the different talks that you might need. You've got your inspirational talk, which is designed to get people to find the answer from the inside out. You've got the motivational talk, where you use yourself as a vehicle to motivate people to do something. Educational talks, where you educate people on the system, the product, the service, the brand. And then you have what we would call a signature talk, which is designed to sell. It's designed to enroll people into your methodology and is designed to sell. Whatever happens across these talks, there's some key factors you need to take into consideration. First of all is, who's the audience? Who's the market? Who are you speaking to? What type of event are you speaking at? What's the key outcome you want for the audience when you do your talks? And what is the action you want them to take? These are all really, really important points. And I suggest you stop and think about it. We talked about having a strong purpose. If you haven't watched the purpose piece, then watch the purpose piece, right? Now, if you have a strong purpose, then you know it's about the audience and it's about them. So what is the outcome you want for them? And what is the outcome you want for you as well as a speaker? What do you want them to do as a result of hearing you speak? Have a think about that. This has been Public Speaking Training for Beginners. Till the next video.